Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. Yours truly, the doctor, coming at you with another one of these wild and wacky Life in the Dog's House American Pit Bull Dog Rescue Association Life in the Dog's House shows with our guest of honor, Her Majesty, the girl from Guadalajara. Interesting story on the girl, even how we got her, which was as a result of our having done American Pit Bull Dog Rescue for so many years that even after we retired, people kept on contacting us. And for those of you who don't know, the case here was that the girl was picked up wandering the streets of Guadalajara. This is about 4 years ago, and she was maybe 18 months at the time or something like that, and let's say she didn't exactly have a very easy young life, but as you can tell from the shape of her physique, it ain't exactly as if she is starving, huh? Ain't exactly as if she is starving. She certainly does love pig ears. People ask me, Dr. D, how can you be so cruel as to let your bulldogs eat the ear of the pig? You gotta do something with them, don't you? Even use the squeal, as the saying used to go, huh? Even use the squeal. Here's to the doctor saying we will be back. Count on it, we shall return. Won't we, Daisy? Sure we will.